In today's video, we're going to build a very basic task management system in Notion in 60 seconds. So this will be unedited. Page, tasks, table, database, and view. We'll call this tasks. So we already have our name. We're going to give it a date, day, month, year, 24-hour. We're going to give it a status. That's fine. We're going to give it a checkbox. Completed. We're going to give it a multi-select. We'll give it some options. Work, personal, other. And we'll give it a files and media system. We'll just leave that label as is. And that will do this for now. We'll make it small text, full width. And now we can start building some tasks. We'll do that today. We've started it already. It's not completed, and it's going to be work and files and media. Well, we can just choose as we go. No entry. And that is how you make a task management system in 60 seconds or less.